Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Cole from Danny's World. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So over on the far left, we're going to start by drawing in a circle for our left eye. And then we're going to line this up at the same height, moving over on the right hand side and drawing in another circle. In the center of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then moving underneath for the pupil, we're going to draw in a half circle. Moving above now for the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the top. And then moving directly down underneath, we're going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. And then now let's just close this off on the top and bottom. Now in the middle for the nose, we're going to draw in a small sideways rectangle. In the center for the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then from there, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out. Now let's draw in the shape of the body. So for the face first, on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. To the right of this, from that point, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down, ending those at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across, closing that off. On the top now, we're going to continue to bring this diagonal line up. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across towards the right. And then now from here, we're just going to connect these lines together with a nice big diagonal line. Let's draw in the cheeks now. So on the right, we're going to draw in a small cross. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side and replicate that. In the corner on the top, we're going to draw in a small heart. Moving down on the side, we're going to draw in another heart. And then we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move underneath. Now let's draw in the rest of the body. So as we come up on the left, we're going to continue this diagonal line up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Moving across, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out again. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes up, ending that at the same height. Closing off the top now, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. Let's draw in a small diagonal line that comes out. And then we're going to close this off, connecting these lines together. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line all the way around and across. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out, closing that off on the top. In the middle now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes over. We'll do the same thing from the corner as we come down. Now on the side, we're going to draw in a sideways rectangle. And then we're just going to draw in 4 diagonal lines as we come across, and we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come all the way over. Now on the top for the satchel, we're just going to curve this line across. On the inside, arching this line down. We'll do the same thing over on the right. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to draw in an upside down triangle. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Then we'll do the same thing on the left. And then now from this point, we're going to curve this line over in the corner. And then underneath, there's a small straight line that comes across. And then now moving underneath, we're just going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines connecting those. And then again, as we move underneath, just replicating that again. Let's draw in the flag on the top. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Now from here, from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then again, we're going to bring this diagonal line in on the side. To the left of this now, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, curving this line back down. Now let's draw on the tail. So on the top, we're going to draw on a small diagonal line that comes out. We're going to bring this diagonal line across. Again, we're going to bring this diagonal line down on the side. From that point, bringing this line in. And then again, bringing that across towards the side. From the middle here, we're going to bring our diagonal line out. On the top, bringing this up to that corner. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. Now let's draw on our feet. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. We'll bring this line straight across. And then from that point back up. And then on the inside, just another diagonal line coming across. Let's move over on the right again. We're going to replicate that diagonal line out, straight across. We'll bring that up on the right-hand side. And then again from that corner, bringing that straight up. And we're going to do this one last time in the back. So one small diagonal line coming out. We'll draw in a straight line across. Another diagonal line coming up. And then again, one more straight line coming up. And that is it. That's how you draw Cole from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.